As soon as the conversation goes off script, take the script, put it away. Don't even look at it. At that point, you're just having a real conversation. At the very beginning of the call, prospect might immediately push back. They're in the zone of resistance. And let's go through a role play on that. So I call you up, right? Ring, ring. Hey, is this Tom?
Yeah, this is him.
Hey, Tom. Look, I'm calling from ABC Company, and I know this is out of the blue. Is it cool if I tell you what this is about?
Nah, man, I'm actually jumping in a meeting. I got to run.
All right. Look, Tom, I get it. Let's just be honest with each other here. Are you really going into a meeting right now, or is this just a nice way to get me off the phone? I mean, either way, I'm okay with it.
Are you questioning if I told you if I'm going into a meeting or not?
I am.
I mean, yeah, I'm headed. I'm about to walk through the door right now.
Okay. Can I give you my little elevator pitch? And if what I'm saying doesn't make sense, I'll never call you again.
You got 10 seconds. Go for it.
All right. And then I have my little window. And hopefully those 10 seconds turn into 10 minutes, because that's typically how that goes, right? So let's reverse now. You're going to pitch me, and I'm going to push back.
And this is on the fly, right? We're doing this on the fly. So, yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes. All right. I'm going to call you up. Ring, ring.
Hello, who's this?
Hey, James, it's Tom Slocum with the SD Lab. How have you been?
We don't know each other, and I don't take cold calls, and I don't work with cold callers.
I totally understand. I know I cut you out of the blue. I'm not a cold caller. What I've done here, James, is I see that you are the director of marketing here that is overseeing the website conversions quarter over quarter. And I have a tool that can help. And I just wanted to reach out and see where you are feeling the most pain in your conversions currently. Are you addressing that right now?
Bingo, right? And at that point, I'm like, oh, this is actually relevant to me, right? And now I'm listening and talking to you. So like, when you're dealing with tough prospects, man, the very beginning of the call, you just need to be open and transparent, have a real conversation.